Yeah, man, the Spindle. You want to know about the fucking Spindle Assembly Checkpoint during Anaphase movement? You want to know about the Spindle Assembly Checkpoint and the Anaphase movement? Well, let's just say you can't commence unless the kinetochore, they latch on. The kinetochore, they latch on to the chromosome because the kinetochore microtubulins, they love the connect the kinetochore, and so once they latch on, then Madam Bub proteins are like, yes sir, because Madam Bub proteins, you know, they're always standing guard. Once that kinetochore latches on, Madam Bub proteins, they step aside, and they let, oh, who let through? Yeah, they let CDC-20. So Madam Bubs, you know, they're the two guards. You got Mad, you got Bub, and then once they were standing guard. But once that kinetochore latches on, then they're like, oh shit, yes sir, CDC-20, there it goes. You know where he goes? CDC-20, he walks right in, and he activates the Anaphase promoting complex. You know, Madam Bub protein, they're like, oh yes sir, CDC-20 walks in, he activates the Anaphase promoting complex, because he's got high clearance, he activates that, and the Anaphase promoting complex, it's like, thank you CDC-20 for your report, yeah sir. And so then the Anaphase promoting complex is like, all right, it's time. So he walks all the way to the prison where they have their cages, the Secruin cells. So they walk all the way to the Secruin, and so you know it's a recap of this point, right? You got the kinetochore latches on Madam Bub proteins. They're like, yes sir, and then let CDC-20 go on. You make sure he checks his clearance and with the Anaphase promoting complex. CC-20 is on official business. Anaphase promoting, yes sir, and that lets it through. So he's got, okay, we got to go to the Secruin cells. The Secruin, you don't want to know about what's in the fucking Secruin cells. Well, Anaphase promoting complex knows within the fucking Secruin cells. So he's gonna go on there. He's gonna pull out his key. And he's gonna unlock the door. You know what it comes out? He degrades that Secruin. That Secruin is degraded now. That shit's gone. And fucking Separase comes out. He's insane. So Separase comes out, and he was a fucking murderer. It's their last resort. He has to cut. He cuts the fucking sister chromatids that were holding together. He's cutting them apart. He's like, he's insane. He's separating. So, once he's free of his Secruin, Separase just goes fucking wild. Cuts the sister chromatids that were, that holding them together. They're gone. They separate. He, cuts them in half. He's fucking insane. And then on top of that, he also degrades the mitotic CDK cyclin and triggers cytokinesis. He's got that, the bomb switch. He's like, I'm degrading mitotic CDK cyclin. Separase is insane. Holy shit. And then the cytokinesis. The cell splits.